my name's Kaylin. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm excited because this video is part of the 2018 Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge being hosted by the DIY Mommy. I'm sure you've seen her channel, but if not, I will have it linked in the description below, as well as the playlist to go check out all the other videos from all the other creators participating. For today's video, we are doing this light up Christmas table centerpiece. I just wanted to come up with something with stuff I had around the house, and this is what I came up with, so I hope you guys like it. And also, welcome to Crafty Treat Adventures. I finally came up with a new YouTube name and I'm super excited about it. So if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do cake videos, craft videos, just love doing creative stuff, and would love to have you as part of my adventure here. So let's go ahead, we'll get started with this video. So first up, just have these are 5x7 frames. I took off all the hardware on them and took out the glass, kept the glass, got rid of the backs, and then I just put 2 coats of white paint on each of them. And then once I had that done, we just need to put the glass into the back of them. So I removed all the hardware and pins and everything so you didn't see anything through the glass. For this, I just used my hot glue gun. You want to make sure it is a high temp glue gun. I tried it on the low temp the first time around and it did not go so well. So you want to be sure you have the high temp setting on it, and it works really well. So just put the glass into all 3 of them. This is what it'll look like when they're finished. And then to kind of get that box shape out of them, I needed to make sure that they were hinged together in some way. I decided to do a ribbon hinge on them, so I wish I had white ribbon, but I didn't, so I went with the black ribbon, and I figured since I was filling it up, you really aren't going to see it, so it'll work out just fine. But to do this, I just put 2 of them together, put hot glue on both sides, and then you're going to just put the ribbon down the middle of them, across the seam there, and then this will hold them together, kind of keep them together but keep it flexible as well while you're working with it. And then you can see it bends really nice there, and then we just did the same for the 3rd frame to connect it. Alright, and then this is where it gets a little bit trickier, just getting that last one on there. It took a little bit of figuring out. This is the first time I've really done anything like this myself, so I decided to do half of the ribbon, glue it onto the one piece here, and then you'll see when I flipped it over, just kind of drag it across so you can see where it bends there and you can connect the other frame to it. And then I put the hot glue on there and then bent it from the inside and kind of scraped it across to meet where the glue is to seal it together. Once I had that on there, just kind of went in, creased the seam there, made sure it was set, and then that's all there is to getting the basic frame for the box. And we do need a bottom to this, so to do this I had an old cake board. It's great because it is white on the opposite side, so when you see down in it, you're just going to see the white from the cake board. It'll blend in a little better. So I cut out the bottom there, and then you can see the 2 ends here needed trimmed down, so I trimmed those down as well. And then you're just going to hot glue around the very edge of the bottom here, and then put your cardboard into place. Alright, and as you can see, the white matches so well with the rest of it. And then that's all there is to building the box. So we can go ahead and add our decorations now. For decorations, I have just these LED craft lights. Sorry, the camera did not want to focus on these, but you can get these in most craft stores. They're really nice, battery powered. And then these pine cones I used on my snowman Christmas ornaments that I just did, and I had a bunch left over and figured they would look really cute for this project. So as you can see, they came from Big Lots. And then some Christmas ornaments. These were actually from the first tree that we decorated when my husband and I got our first apartment, so we've had those forever too. And for kind of filling the box here, just started with the pine cones and then put in a layer of the ornaments. And then this is where I started wrapping the lights down into it. And then you kind of just want to work with it and start adding and filling it, and You can do a bunch of different decorations with this. If you wanted to do an electric candle with the pine cones around it, or different colored ornaments, there's really so many ideas with this. So I definitely, I'm anxious to, you know, try some different ones down the road too with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you try it out, be sure to send me a picture, share it with me on any of my social medias. Click in the upper right hand corner to go to the playlist to see the rest of the creators as part of the DIY and Decor Challenge. Thanks again, DIY Mommy, for hosting this. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.